All right, quick market recap from Monday, the 22nd. I wasn't paying too much attention today as I was requesting two payouts from two of my top step accounts, so I can't complain. But I think there was two trades you could have taken today. Going into the morning, we did have a nice upward trend with two hourlies below. Both pairs hit the first hourly, respecting CE of the wick and continuing higher ES, finally breaking through this 4 hour fair value gap. Now, I did have two targets today, so this was a daily high from Tuesday of last week, and then also from Wednesday on ES inside of this 4 hour, which were my two targets for the morning. At market open, both pairs created a fresh 30-minute right below. ES and NQ were both kind of chopping around, but NQ was the one to manipulate down into this 30-minute gap, creating an SMT. This is the one trade I would have taken because we had a nice PO3 into the 30-minute gap, continuing the upward trend, and it was an SMT signifying that we would go higher. And this could have played out for a 1-to-1, or you could have raised it up to that draw I was talking about earlier for the morning and went break even and not lost. So can't complain there. After that trade, we were kind of just accumulating around or chopping up until we created the 4 hour gap at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Eastern. We did get a nice PO3, so accumulation manipulation up higher, and then we had a 2 minute inversion downward. Now, this is the second trade I think you could have taken today, but again, this was the draw I wanted hit before that happened, and same with ES or had an SMT, that would have been fine too. But we did not leave that draw, so my stop loss was threatened and I did not want to take this trade. Now, obviously, we just went straight to the 4 hour gap, leaving this draw up high. So after that, I was just done for the day because we did not want to go higher after that. I would rate this trade probably B minus just because you're leaving a pretty big DOL right above on both pairs, even though we did get a nice PO3. But this first trade, though, because of the SMT and the upward trend we had, fresh manipulation, I would rate this A plus, and I would take this every single time.